Alright guys, I wanted to make a quick video to explain some differences between 700R4 and 4L60E pumps. Now this is 93 to 95 4L60E. The ones without detachable bell housing. The ones with detachable bell housing have, as you can see, obvious fins sticking down here. This is with a bell housing that unbolts, say 97 and up. This is a 700R4. This is a 700R4. This is a 93 to 95 4L60E. Now the problem here lies, which was very confusing, is that the casting number on a 700R4 is 866 3570. And also 868 1596. Those two casting numbers fit 700R4 and 4L60E pumps. It's very easy to get them confused when you're building pumps because that number fits both transmissions. Now the quick, easy way to figure out to tell the difference is the size of this filter inlet hole here on a 700R4 is 1/10 of an inch smaller than it is on a 4L60E. So this hole on a 4L60E measures approximately 975 thousandths diameter, inside diameter. On a 700R4, it's approximately 875 thousandths inside diameter here. So that's a quick way to tell when you're building pumps if this pump half is for a 700 or for a 4L60E. Another way to tell is the 4L60E, the boost valve has a tit on it there, you can see, where a 700 is flat. Another way to tell is this hole right here for the auxiliary tube. On a 700R4, this hole for the auxiliary tube is open, where on a 93 to 95 4L60E, that hole right there is got a plug in it. So those are 3 ways to tell when you're building pumps, if your pump half is for a 4L60 or for a 700R4. Like I say, they'll have the same casting number, yet they fit to both 2 different transmissions. It can be very confusing. Another difference we have is on these 97 and up 4L60 pumps. They have 298 millimeter and 300 millimeter input shafts. A 298 millimeter pump will have a stator tube 6.75 inches long, where a 300 millimeter pump, this stator tube will be 1/2 of an inch longer. It'll be 7¼ inches long. 7.25 for 300 millimeter and 6.75 for 298 millimeter. So that's a quick way to figure out if the pump you have is for a 298 or a 300 millimeter shaft. It can be tricky. And then you have the difference between 700R4 and 4L60E is the size of that pump inlet hole. Hope that helps. Don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you.